Hello English learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another video and this video is about advanced English sentences. Before this, I have already shared a video on advanced English sentences. So if you have missed that video, I will share the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So our first basic sentences, let's start. In a more advanced structure, we can say it like let's dive in or let's kick off. So we can say it like let's dive into the video, right? So move on to the next sentence. The next sentence is I forgot what I was talking about. We can say it like I lost my chain of thoughts. Don't annoy me. Don't drive me crazy. I am very nervous. I have butterflies. जब भी हम नर्वस होते हैं तो हमें पेट में एक अजीब सी फीलिंग आती है और हम कहते हैं कि जैसे कुछ बटरफ्लाइज सी हो रही हैं. सो वी कैन से इट लाइक आई हैव बटरफ्लाइज. कुछ हम इम्पॉर्टेंट करने जा रहे होते हैं, कुछ इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे होते हैं या कोई भी ऐसा काम जिसमें हम थोड़ा सा नर्वस फील करते हैं, कोई पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करनी है, कोई इंटरव्यू क्लियर करना है, तो वहाँ पर या फिर आप एग्ज़ाम्स क्रैक करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, किसी एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए जा रहे हैं आप, तो जनरली क्या होता है, वी फील वेरी नर्वस. सो वी कैन से दैट आई हैव बटरफ्लाई, राइट? आई लाइक यू अ लॉट. आई एम सो इनटू यू. So the next time if you want to say to someone that you like him or her a lot, you can say it like, I am so into you. I will pay the bill. It's on me. For example, if you are throwing a party and your friend or your relatives are trying to pay the bill, but you say that you will pay the bill, then you can say it like, it's on me. We are so different from each other. You can say it like, we are poles apart. The next sentence is, your face seems familiar. Many a time it happens. Many people say that I've seen you somewhere. Your face resembles to one of my relatives. So in advanced manner, we can say it like that. Your face rings a bell. It means your face reminds me of something. I cannot come tonight. I can't make it tonight. I am scared to do this. I have cold feet. कोल्ड फीट का मतलब यहाँ पर है जैसे हम कभी बहुत घबरा जाते हैं, जब हम बहुत डर जाते हैं तो हमारे हाथ पैर जनरली ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं. तो उस सिनेरियो में we can say that I have cold feet, means I am very frightened or scared. I am feeling lazy today. I am feeling sluggish today. The situation has gone out of control. The situation has gone haywire. You are teasing me. You are winding me up. If I remember correctly, she is a doctor. Off the top of my head, she is a doctor. I am going to sleep. I am off to bed. I am listening. I am all ears. I would like to request you that if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification in advance. And if you really like this video, please press the like button and share it with your friends.